Hello kid, today we are going to learn how to keep our private parts safe from others. Well, what are your private parts? The parts of the body which are closed under the swimming costume are your private parts. You should make sure that nobody should look at it or you should not show it to anyone else. So, let us see an example how you can protect your private parts. So, it was summertime and your friends had gone for swimming. So, all of you were having a very good time. So, after you're done with the swimming, the domestic help takes you to the changing room, and while you are changing your clothes, the domestic maid is looking at you and you start feeling very embarrassed and uncomfortable. So, what would you do in a situation like this? Well, would you be silent and let her keep on doing what she is doing? Or you would go up to your parent and tell them what she has done? Let me tell you, keeping silent in this kind of situation is a big no. You should never ever let anyone look at your private parts, because for that you feel very uncomfortable and it's not correct at all. So in this kind of situation, make sure you always go up to your parent and tell them this had been happening, which had made you feel so bad. Okay? So let's see the second incident. What if you were changing the clothes and the maid comes and touches your stomach? Wouldn't you feel uncomfortable? Have you been in such kind of situation before? If yes, then what did you do in that situation? Well, did you just sit in the corner and start crying about it and then you just kept quiet? Maybe because you were scared. What if she misbehaved with you? What if she hurts you? But this situation is not at all acceptable. So, you should tell the maid no for doing such a thing, and after coming back home, you should complain about her to your parents. Make sure you always tell them how she had made you feel very, very uncomfortable, because touching of any private parts is not at all acceptable. You should never ever allow someone to do that to you. But in some cases, for example, medical condition, then a doctor or a nurse or a parent is permitted to touch your private parts. But if somebody else like a maid or stranger or relative or friend comes to touch you at your private parts, you should always say no and go up to your parents and tell about them. Well, let's see some more situations. What if your aunt came and tried to kiss you on your lips? Well, the lips is also a private part. So, do you think it should be done? Of course not. So, in this kind of situation, make sure you just push her away, tell her no, and tell your parents. Why is it important to tell your parents? Because they will understand about her intentions and take a strict action against her, so that your private parts are safe and you never face a situation like this in future. What if some friend of yours come and tells you that his relative has touched him in his private part and he is very scared of telling it to his parents? What would you do in this situation? Would you also remain silent? Would it be a good thing to do? Absolutely not. So what should you do? You should tell your friend to go up to his parents and tell everything that he has faced, which has made him feel so very uncomfortable. And if your friend is totally scared and he doesn't want to say, you take the initiative. You go up to his parents and tell whatever has happened. In this way, not only you, but your friend will also be safe from being harassed or feeling uncomfortable. Now, what if your relative comes and wants to show off his or her private parts to you and tells you to touch it? Would you do it? Do you think it's a correct thing? to see others' private parts? Not at all. As much as it is important for you to not show your private parts, make sure you also don't see any private parts of anyone else, because that is totally not acceptable. So you should say no to that person and finally go up to your parents. Because in these kind of situations wherein someone is kissing your lips, someone is trying to touch your private parts, or somebody is showing their private parts to you, in all of these situations, you should always go up to your parents and tell them what they are trying to do with you. Because under all circumstances, you should make sure that your private parts are safe. You should not show it to anybody, or you should not see or touch someone else's private parts as well. So I am sure, my dear kid, if you are always true to your parents and tell them everything, your private parts would always be safe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So register for free now.